Kayumangi. Remember the myth? The night you lifted your arm to the light, adoring the Kayumangi gleam of your skin. How God molded people from clay. He was hasty once, not firing the first clump of claymen long enough, then careless for burning the next batch. Turn your back on the brush blinking tarmac, on the next door lad on a Nara ladder who festoons festive lights and yells with a lancet sharp sniga. Ang itim, you're ugly. If a shadow of a teak tree spills and pins you at your feet, remember darkness is neither the absence of light nor the abundance of shades. Might as well let bygones be bygones. The bucket that bobbed in a brimming tub, and you, the ugly duckling who scrubbed and scrubbed. Go ahead, trail that next door boy and mock his body glazed in a sewage sludge after a ladder fall. Soon a whistle pulls you to a bench. The breeze persuades a hanging lantern. Memorize your mother's story of God's endurance and learn that on his third try he gaped at the last batch of clay people and was satisfied.